coming through. It's been doing what it needs to do. It's been giving what it needs to give, okay? What's up, you guys? This is your girl Coco Barbs back at it again with another video. As you can tell by the title, today we are playing with these kinky clip-ins from Shake and Go. I've already had these in for 3 weeks, so in this video I'm basically refreshing my hair, re-moisturizing my own hair, braiding it down, and inserting these clip-ins once again. I just want to show you that you could be a cutie baddie, a baddie on a budget with these clip-ins, because baby, these clip-ins were $30. You heard me, $30 from the hair store, honey. I got mine from the hair store and it has been coming through. It's been doing what it needs to do. It's been giving what it needs to give, okay? And it's comfortable, you know, it's no tension. Y'all, I could talk about this all day, but let's get into this video. I hope you enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Hey queen, let's get into this thing now. Under this bonnet, honey, it's my glory, okay? My hair. What I'm doing here is just twisting my leave out all together just to separate it from the rest of my hair, because I'm about to moisturize it with water, grapeseed oil, a leave-in conditioner, 𝚿𝚃𝙀 gel, a strengthening mask, a wide-tooth and a brush. I'm creating my liquid concoction with my oil and leave-in conditioner. Everything will be linked down below. And as you can see, I'm just spraying that on my hair, rubbing it through, honey. I want everything nice and soft, moisturized, ready to go. My hair's really thick and it just felt so good to touch my scalp. You don't know how good that felt. But nevertheless, I am separating my hair into, at least that section in two. And I'm just working one section at a time, because even though my hair strands are very fine, my hair is so dense. So I just needed to separate that and then braid it down. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other section, combing it out, making sure there's no knots. And then I'm gonna braid that original braid, that first braid, into this braid, if that makes sense. Now y'all, don't make these braids so tight, because you don't want to feel the tension of the clip-in on your head. Okay, what you want to do here is crisscross those braids, pin it, and then tuck in the ends to protect the ends of your hair. You don't want the ends of your hair out. So as you can see here, I'm pinning it, and then I'm going to tuck in those ends, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So now I'm going in with my 𝚿𝚃𝙀 gel, and I'm just rubbing and just working that into my hair. And then I'm just going to twist my leave out just to get it out the way, because we are about to insert and install these clip-ins, honey. So I don't want my leave out in the way. Now, when you get to this part, you want to part your hair accordingly. Like if you want a middle part, just make a middle part. But today I'm doing a side part, and I'm twisting each section accordingly, just so it could match the pattern of the clip-in. Comment down below if you're enjoying this video so far, y'all. Let me know how you feel about it. Okay, the star of this show, we got the clip-ins here. I got mine from the hair store. It's the clip-ins from Shake and Go. It's 9 pieces. They have a variety of pieces that are 3 inches, 5 inches, 7 inches, and 10 inches, I believe. If I'm wrong, everything will be linked down below, and you can see for yourself that these clip-ins are so beautiful, as you can already see. Now, when I'm inserting these clip-ins, I want to start from the top, only because that will ensure that I have enough hair at the top. When it comes to these clip-ins, who cares about the bottom? You know what I mean? Like I'm not pulling my hair up. But you could install these in a way that you could also do that. But today I want to ensure that I have enough hair at the top versus at the bottom, because everything is going to fall accordingly. You'll see. So when you're inserting these clip-ins as well, you want to insert the comb into your hair, tug away from your hair, and then clip it in. This will ensure that there's no tension. And honey, it took me a while to figure this out, but it works. I have 4C kinky fine hair, and I am one that I don't like a lot of tension when going to sleep. And mind you, I do wear these clip-ins to sleep. I put a bonnet on, honey, and I go about my business, okay? So I didn't want to feel any tension, and I know it looks crazy, but I'm just working my way down, ensuring that each clip-in has a good amount of space in between one another. So I'm not, clipping each clip-in very close to one another, because the hair is so thick and kinky, curly. You don't have to clip in each clip-in so close to one another. And this will ensure that the hairstyle is a little bit on the longer side, but you still got the little short bob going on. And these clips are so strong, I could clip it through the braid. So don't be intimidated, honey. Get in there and clip those clip-ins in. And then I just like to adjust mine after everything is said and done, making sure that everything's falling how I want it to fall. And you see that there's a lot of space there, but the clip-ins are so thick, it covers everything. You don't even see it. Trust and believe. Okay, so now you see my leave out. Honey, look at this leave out and how it covers. Like, so beautiful. Okay, I could honestly leave my hair like this if I decided to wait for the 𝚿𝚃 gel to dry. But honey, I needed to go somewhere, so I did this method of blending my hair in with the clip-ins by taking a section of my hair, a little section, and twisting it in with a strand of the clip-in hair. And you just want to twist a couple of times and you're good. I don't really twist all the way down because there's really no need. Everything is kinky, everything is, coily, and it's all going to flow together. So again, you're going to take a section of your hair, and I go past the clip-in that's closest to my leave out, and then use hair from the clip-in underneath, and then twist those two pieces together. And this will ensure that, just in case you don't want to wait till the next morning to wait for that 𝚿𝚃 gel to dry, you won't see as much as the fuzz from your natural hair. Because my hair is a little bit puffy, it's not as defined, but to be honest, it really doesn't matter because I'm just blending this in so beautifully that you barely even see any of the actual fuzz from my natural hair. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with Shine Gem just for those edges. Normally, to be honest, I don't mess with my edges in the summer and springtime, but for the sake of this video, I wanted to keep it clean and polished for y'all, okay? Because I'm a lazy natural now, okay? So my edges curl up anyway. So this is why I like this style, because it's closest to my hair. And look at that. Look at that hair underneath. Like, you don't even see the difference. Okay, so this is the time where you want to go in and you want to just cut all the wonky pieces. Like, there was a couple of knots, there were a couple of fuzzy pieces that I didn't want there, and then I started to fluff my hair accordingly, like how I wanted it to fall. If I wanted more volume, I started to separate the hair a little bit more. And queens, look at that blend. I'm so happy. I love this hairstyle. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. What do you think about these clip-ins? They literally match my hair to the T, especially if you literally play with it and make it bigger. I can say that I have grown to love more volume in my hair. As I've grown to love my hair, I have just wanted this urge of just adding hair for more volume and just that big energy. You know what I mean? That big energy. Like, I've been wanting to give that big energy with the hair. So like, I literally can't keep my hands out of my hair because, you know, it's just like you can always play with it and shape it and do different things to make it your own. I love how the parting is so natural. I just love everything about this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know, are you using this protective hairstyle this summer? Let me know if you are, if you're not, if you're using something else. I know me, I'm a lazy natural, so honey, I need something that I can't feel, you know, something that I don't have to play with all the time, especially for my working women out there. So yeah, this definitely passed the test for me. The luster is just right, you know, that it matches my hair. Yeah, so I love everything about this. Make sure you comment down below what you liked about this video, what you would try, what you wouldn't try, what you want to see next. Definitely connect with me down in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And always remember, be blessed, stay encouraged, and always be aggressive with your way. But don't go. Make sure you click the next video. Wherever it is, I need you to click the next video because at the end of the day, I'm giving you heat. You know what I mean? I'm back to back to back. The girls are asking and I am delivering. Click the next video, queen. No, don't you click off. I'm talking to you. Click the next video, okay? Click it. Yeah!